It's an inside-out freeze dance.
See? Fun already.
Can you help us find all 5 crystal memories? Dance along when the music plays. Freeze when the music stops and help us find each special crystal memory. Find all 5 memories to win. First up is sadness. Help sadness find the blue crystal memory. Do you see it in the picture? Hurry up. Yeah! You found it. Now let's help out anger. Anger's turned the floor into lava! Get off the floor!
I'm losing my mind over here! Arr! The floor's lava because of me!
Anger's done it again! Get off the floor! That was close. Now help anger find the red crystal memory. Yeah! You did it. Now let's help out disgust. Anger's done it again! Get off the floor!
I keep pushing the button. I can't help it.
And help Disgust find the green crystal memory. Yeah! Now let's help out fear. Oh no! Get off the floor! Don't fall in the lava!
I did it again! This is actually kind of fun! Lava's everywhere!
Freeze! And help fear find the purple ball. It's got a crystal in it. Do you see it? Yeah! Awesome job! Only one more memory to find. Oh no, anger's out of control. Jump to catch the core memories and save them. But watch out for anger's fire. It's everywhere. You can do it. We can't forget about anxiety. Find the orange crystal memory.
and don't know why. Hurry!